Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to start the second chapter from trigonometry, and that is transformation of sums and products. Before going to start this chapter, first you have to know all the formulas of compound angle. So in compound angle, you know what is the formula of sine A plus B and then sine A minus B. Okay, so as sine A plus B, the formula is sine A cos B and then plus cos A sine B. Then sine A minus B, the formula is sine A cos B and here cos A sine B. Now in this chapter, that is transformation of sums and products. So to find out the formula for this chapter, first you have to add these two one. Okay, so if you add this one, then you get here sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Okay, and in right hand side here cos A sine B will be cancelled out, and then here 2 sine A cos B. Okay, so that is the formula. That is the formula of this chapter, transformation of sums and product. Here the formula is 2 sine A cos B, that equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Okay, so similarly you can also write that the next formula 2 sine A, here the first formula 2 sine A cos B, that equal to this one, and the next formula is 2 cos A sine B. Next formula is 2 cos A sine B, and here the formula is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Now similarly the next formula 2 cos A cos B, and that equal to cos A plus B. 2 cos A cos B, that equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That is the formula of 2 cos A cos B. Now the next formula, the last one, 2 sin A sin B, and the formula is cos A minus B minus cos A minus B. Sorry, A plus B minus equal to 2 sin A sin B. So these four are the formula you can get from the sums of the formulas of the compound angle. सो कंपाउंड एंगल में जो फॉर्मूला तुम्हारे पास दिया हुआ है, उसी फॉर्मूले को हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ ऐड करके यहाँ पर और 4 नया फॉर्मूला खड़ा कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर 4 जो फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है वो है 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B and then 2 sin A sin B. So now we have to learn the transformation of sums or different into products. Okay, so here the next 4 formula. Here the formula is sin C plus sin D, and the formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2, then cos C minus D by 2. So similarly, if it's here plus, then it will be sin and cos. If here minus, that means sin C minus sin D, then the formula will be little change. There is sin and there will be cos. There is cos and there is sin. Okay, so यहाँ पर अगर प्लस होगा तो यहाँ पर sin cos होगा, यहाँ पर अगर माइनस होगा तो यहाँ पर cos sin होगा. बस यही चेंज है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इफ cos C प्लस cos D, cos C प्लस cos D का फॉर्मूला रहेगा, दोनों ही cos रहेगा यहाँ पर 2 cos C प्लस D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and if cos C minus cos D, that equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2, but the last में sin यहाँ पर d माइनस सी बाई 2. ओके, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. सारे साहब यहाँ पर पूरा एकदम सेम टू सेम है. यहाँ पर c प्लस डी है, यहाँ पर c माइनस डी है. इसका मतलब c पहले d बाद में, बट यहाँ पर एक लास्ट वाला फॉर्मूला में यहाँ पर d माइनस सी बाई 2 होगा. So as I said before that, each and every video I am going to solve some important kind of problems. Okay, so now in this video I am going to solve some short types of problem from this chapter. So here the first problem, you have to prove that cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree, that equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, so here the first problem, you have to prove that cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree, that equal to 1 by root 2. So now next, first write down the LHS. So LHS cos 15 minus sin 15. Okay, now you know the formula of complementary angle. So here you can put this formula, that is 90 minus 75, that becomes 15. Okay, 15 को हम रिप्लेस करके 90 माइनस 75 कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर हो गया cos 15 डिग्री माइनस cos 75 डिग्री. Okay, now you know the formula, so write down in third bracket that sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, sin 90 degree minus theta that equal to cos theta. So यहाँ पर sin 90 degree minus 75 that equal to cos 75. Now cos 15 minus cos 75. So here we can apply the formula of cos C minus cos D, and you know the formula. The formula is 2 sin C plus D. Okay. So that equal to 15 plus 75 by 2, and then sine last one, what I said, it's D minus C, not C minus D. Okay, remember that. So that means here 75 minus 15 by 2. So that equal to 2 sine 90 by 2, and here per 0 6. So that equal to 2 sine 45 degree into sine 30 degree. So you know the value of 45, that equal to 1 by root 2, and value of 30 that equal to half. So 2 cancel out, the final answer equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, so like this way you can just apply the formula and find out the problems. Now the next problem, here sin 10 plus sin 50 minus sin 70 that equal to 0. That means you have to prove that the final value equal to 0. So as here sin 10 plus sin 50 minus sin 70, so if this is sin C plus sin D, so you can easily apply the formula of sin C plus sin D, and the formula is 2 sin first one C plus D by 2, and then cos C minus D by 2, as here C equal to 50 and D equal to 10. Okay, and then last one sin 70. So if you change it by complementary angle, then it will be 90 minus 20. Okay, so now 2 into sine, now 50 plus 10 that equal to 60, 60 by 2 that equal to 30 degree, and here cos 50 minus 40, 40 by 2 that equal to 20 degree, and here sine 90 minus 20 that becomes also cos 20. Okay, now value of sine 30 that equal to half, so half into cos 20 minus cos 20. So 2 cancel out, that means cos 20 minus cos 20, so that equal to 0, and that means that equal to right hand side. It's proved. Now the third problem, in third problem, if cos alpha plus cos beta equal to P, sin alpha plus sin beta equal to Q, then you have to find out the value of tan alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, so यहाँ पर cos alpha cos beta दिया हुआ है, that means you can here apply the formula of cos C plus cos D. So as the formula is 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2, and then cos alpha minus beta by 2 that equal to P. Okay, now in the second equation here sin C plus sin D का formula, the formula equal to 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2, and then cos alpha minus beta by 2, and that equal to Q. Okay, so that means here that is the first equation, and here that is the second equation. Now we have to find out tan alpha plus beta by 2, and you know that sin alpha by cos alpha that equal to tan alpha. So if you divide equation number 2 by equation number 1, then you will get sin by cos, and that from that you will get tan. Okay, so right here after dividing equation number 2 by 1, we get 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2, then cos alpha minus beta by 2, and here Q by P. Okay, so here cos beta by 2 is cancel out, 2 cancel out, so finally tan alpha plus beta by 2 that equal to Q by P. So that is the answer. Okay, so now the next problem. In this video I am going to solve only short types of problem. In the next video I am going to solve long answer type problems. So here the next problem, prove that sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree is greater than sin 44 plus cos 44. Okay, now you know the value of sin 45 plus cos 45, so you can easily find out the value of the left portion, and that will be 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that equal to 2 by root 2. So finally it's root 2. That means here sin 44 प्लस cos 44 का जो वैल्यू आएगा वो रूट 2 से छोटा होगा. मुझे सिर्फ यही प्रूव करना है. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट sin 44 प्लस cos 44 इज लेस देन रूट 2. सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन sin 44 प्लस cos 44. ओके, नाउ sin 44 प्लस cos 44 का मैं यहाँ पर एक एडजस्ट करूँगा. अब एडजस्ट कैसे करना है वो देख लो. मैं बाहर पर एक रूट 2 लिखूंगा और अंदर रूट 2 से उसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. ओके, सो बाहर में मैंने एक रूट 2 लिख दिया. अब उस रूट 2 को एडजस्ट करने के लिए मैं अंदर में दो 1 बाई रूट 2 डाल दिया. फिर यहाँ से 1 बाई रूट 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा, रूट 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला पोर्शन था वही तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर मैंने रूट 2 से इसको एडजस्ट कर लिया. अब क्या करना है, यहाँ पर 1 बाई रूट 2 का है जो उसका वैल्यू बिठाना है. सो 1 बाई रूट 2 का वैल्यू हो गया cos 45. सो cos 45 देन sin 44 और यहाँ पर sin 45 cos 44. ओके, सो यहाँ पर एक है sin 44 cos 45, दूसरे में है sin 45 cos 44. अब एक इसका फॉर्मूला हो गया, ये sin a प्लस b का फॉर्मूला हो गया. sin a प्लस b का फॉर्मूला होता है sin a cos b प्लस cos a sin b. So you can easily write down here sin a plus b, that means 45 plus 44, so that equal to root sin 89. Now sin 89 is always less than 1. Okay, sin 89 is always less than 1. So यहाँ पर root 2 into sin 89 है, इसका मतलब ये वैल्यू भी root 2 से छोटा ही होगा. Okay, so this is less than root 2. That means you can easily prove that sin 45 plus cos 45 is greater than sin 44 plus cos 44. Okay, now the next problem. Here the problem is sin 2a plus b by sin a minus 2 cos a plus b. You have to find out the value. Okay, so first अगर यहाँ पे पहले मुझे sin a LCM लेना है, तो इस अगर मैं यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट करता हूँ तो यहाँ पर LCM होता है sin a. So that means in numerator you can write first 2a plus b and then 2 into sin a cos a plus b. Okay, so here 2 sin a cos a plus b. That means here you can easily apply the formula of 2 sin a cos b. Okay, here a plus b as considered as b, and the formula is sin a plus b then plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b then plus sin a minus b. So here in numerator first write down sin 2a plus b. Then according to the formula, as यहाँ पर देखिए 2 sin a and b का फॉर्मूला तो a plus b. So यहाँ पर a तो a ही है but b consider as a plus b. So that means first here write down sin, then a plus b, and that becomes 2a plus b. Okay, now the next one here plus sin a minus b. That means here plus, so minus into plus, that becomes minus. और यहाँ पर sin a minus b, so sin a minus b, a minus b, that becomes only minus b, and that divided by sin a. Now this portion will be cancel out. और यहाँ पर sin minus b, that means sin minus theta, इसका फॉर्मूला होता है minus sin theta. So minus sin theta minus with this one, it becomes plus. So it's plus sin b by sin a. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, now the next problem. Here the problem is cot 54 by tan 36 plus tan 20 by cot 70. Now you have to find out the value of this one. Okay, so it's a very simple problem. You can easily solve out this problem with the help of complementary angle. So you know the formula here, cot 54. So you can change it, write down cot 90 minus 36, and that equal to cot 54. Now in denominator tan 36, here tan 20. So you can write down here tan 20, and instead of cos 70, they write down here cot 90 minus 20. Okay, so in the upper portion cot 90 minus theta, the formula will be tan theta, that means tan 36, in denominator also tan 36. Now here tan 20, so write down tan 20, in denominator also tan 20. So cancel out, this portion cancel out, so that equal to 1 plus 1 and that equal to 2. So 2 is the final answer. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon for the notification. So in the next video I am going to solve some long answer type problem from this chapter. Okay, so till now, bye.